There are some really important factors you need to take into consideration before installing your compressor. Here are just 4. Firstly, you need to select an appropriate location. Ideally, an air compressor should be installed in an indoor, clean environment. If your compressor is installed outside, a lean-to is practical and protects from the elements. Where a shelter is not practical or too expensive, compressors can be fitted with weatherproofing to protect it from the environment. Also, you may need to consider noise. Whilst compressors are very quiet these days, they still generate noise which may cause issues with employees and neighbours if installed without consideration. Secondly, you must consider ventilation. Compressors generate a lot of heat and we need to appropriately ventilate so that heat can be ejected from the compressor room. Overheating air compressors are a leading cause of breakdowns and also leads to excessive energy cost and maintenance costs. In some cases we recommend ducting the hot air away, and you may even consider providing a cold air intake ductwork to allow your compressor to run even more efficiently and more reliably. One mistake you want to avoid is installing a compressor with insufficient maintenance access. We need at least 1 metre all the way around a compressor to allow service technicians to access and to properly maintain the equipment. Finally, we often see many mistakes being made in pipe work. This is a complex area, there are many areas to consider, so it's a good idea to seek some advice before undertaking work in your compressed air pipe work. Whilst I've covered the key themes, there are many other considerations to make, so please seek out advice from an expert.